Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we would be learning more over the data types that we discussed earlier. So earlier what we did was we created this table, and we created some fields over to this table, so like name, age and gender. So in today's video we would be working more over those fields, and we would be exploring the other data types as well. Okay, so that would help you to have a better advantage over learning things. So now we would go to the object manager, and we were working on the student object. So our student object gets loaded up in here. So now click on new. So when we click on new, a list of data type, we can see a list of data types. So there is auto number, there's formula, lookup relationship, master detail relationship, checkbox, currency, date, time. So for now, master detail and lookup we would not be covering in this video, because video would become too large. So these are the separate topics that we would be covering. First we would be going with checkbox. So checkbox, how to use this? uh, Student. So let me give some random values only. So I would be checking that is is enrolled. The value, the default value you can set up to checked or unchecked. Okay. uh, or as driving license, we can do anything as per our convenience. So just a demo video so that you could all understand, that's why. And depending upon your usage and criteria, you could set your own field. Okay, so checkbox is done. Now we would be working with currency. Next, so for the currency we would be taking registration fee. Okay, so if you want some decimal places, so total is 18 digits. So 16 plus 2, 18, that means 16 numbers and 2 decimal points. So that is the meaning in here. In here you can also have option that do you want this value to be required or not. Okay, so that depends up to you. If you tick this value, then you will not be able to save the record until and unless you fill a value in this. Okay, so that is the meaning of required. So next, and so we did with the currency. Now date. Okay, so now for example, enrollment date. Okay, for example, a student enrolled in a particular subject or something, or enrolled in a particular school, institute, anything that might be. So this is the enrollment date. I have written the label as so save and new. Till now what we have done is, let me see. Okay, new. So guys, student name is has a driving license. This was our checkbox. Registration date was our currency. Enrollment date is of type date. So till now we have these fields. Moving over to the next field is date and time. Okay, so for date and time, specify any value like date time. I am just writing the name only. So date and time was also entered into our systems. So let us see how it is showing to us. Okay, so lightning, sometimes it is the thing that lightning takes a bit time to get things sorted or get things into the view. So what you can do is you can for the time being you can switch over to your classic profile, like this one, and from here uh, choose the plus icon, and from here you are to choose your application. So students, the database table is your students. So new, if you do is new, see student name, student age, gender, has driving license, registration fee, enrollment date, and the date time. See, this is the date along with the time. I hope you understood. Okay, moving further is your email. So allow users to enter an email address which is validated to ensure proper format. If this field is specified for a constant contact or lead, users can choose the address when clicking send email. Note that custom email addresses cannot be used for mass email. So basically another data type, email. uh, Again I would be doing save and new. So email is done. Same is the case with guys geolocation as well. Number, like if you want to add your age, so number is a good choice, like age. Okay, again number 18 digits. So what you want is to have a value in this, or you don't have a value, so all depends up to you guys. So next, and save new. So, what is the main difference between your number and percentage is that in percentage and the percent sign is automatically embedded, like in your currency the dollar sign gets automatically added up. So this is the main difference. Picklist and picklist multi-select. So picklist, so we have done is in the case of gender, while we created a gender we used a picklist. So what is the meaning of picklist is to choose from multiple values, and picklist multi-select is that for example user can have can select from a list of subjects. Okay, so picklist multi-select comes into picture in there, but there is also a special case of picklist, that is the global picklist. Till now uh, what we did was just a second, see, enter the values are separated by new line. So we entered in here a something something of this kind, but what is the option, that is use global pick list value set. Okay, what does this mean is, let me show you. So like for example, you have to go to uh, pick list value set. See, this pick list value set appears, and in here you are to create a new Picklist value set. So for example, what do you want to cater, what is the need of this Picklist global value set? So basically this is used when you don't want repetition of some values, like countries. Okay, and the values can be India, USA, Canada, Russia, and Nepal. Okay, so these can be the values. So display values alphabetically and use the first value as the default value. You can do this as well. So the name is countries. Okay, these was our list of countries. So according to the naming convention, Canada C comes first, so that's why Canada. And from your object manager, again choose student, fields and relationships, and now you want to create list of countries now. So you want a pick list. uh, I would say the list of countries. Okay, and in my global, see, I have countries in here. And if I do next, next, and save and new. So let us check in here as well. So let me refresh my classic view. See, list of countries is as we told now that Canada is automatically checked. That's why we can do India, we can do Russia, Nepal, USA. So as per our wish. So this is the use of global picklist value sets. I hope now you are comfortable with picklist as well as multi-select picklist, because these are the same. In multi-select you can select more than two values. Same is the case with text and text area. So text area allows you to enter more number of characters, like if you want to store some address or something, so you could use your text area. So these are some values. You can also use the text encrypted. Allow users to enter a combination of letters and numbers to store them in the encrypted form. So I would be demonstrating you this one. Encrypted text. I would be giving this. Uh, so what would be the length is 50 only. Uh, Mask type is, what do you want is mask all characters, last four characters clear, credit card number. So I want is mask all characters, mask character. What should be the character in mask all characters? I want a star. So this represent your the output that what it should show. Okay. Then I do next, next, and I did is save. Okay. Refresh my classic view. Encrypted text. Hello world. Test. Oh, check. Student age 22. Gender male, has driving license. The registration fees is, enrollment date is, date time you can enter. You can enter email. You can enter age. List of countries, encrypted text, save. See, now your encrypted text comes in encryption, so no other can see this. So yeah, this is also a better technique. If you want to hide some of your text, you can use this one. And if I switch over to lightning as well, so in here also, yeah, only the difference is in the UI part. So see, test object, registration fee, enrollment date, uh, the date, time, the email, age, list of countries, encrypted text. So this was your student. And from here also you can add the student, but in here some values are missing. So again, sometimes it takes time for lightning, so you could move over to classic. I hope you understood today's video, guys. And if you have any doubt related to any of the fields that you didn't understood how you could create those fields, we could help you all. So if you have any doubts, do comment down below, and thanks for watching.